Hey guys, welcome to this brand new video tutorial series on React. In this video tutorial series, we'll be learning React JavaScript and its different concepts. Now, what is React JavaScript? React JavaScript is an open source library for building rich user interfaces, and unlike Angular, which is a full-fledged framework in itself, React JavaScript is not a framework. And React JavaScript mainly focus on building rich user interfaces, and it has a rich ecosystem. Why should we learn React? We should learn React because it is created and maintained by Facebook, and Facebook invests its money and resources for building several products using React JavaScript. React JavaScript has a huge community behind it, and it is being increasingly popular among developers nowadays, so it is in demand skill set. React JavaScript has a component based architecture. For example, if you want to build a website, and website consists of different components like header, footer, site navigation bar, so on and so forth. So these components can be encapsulated into a single root component. Another feature of React JavaScript is that it offers reusable code. Suppose you have implemented an article in React JavaScript, same can be implemented in Angular and Vue by passing the right data, so the same code can be reused again and again. There are two types of paradigm. One is called declarative, another is imperative paradigm. React JavaScript is declarative and not imperative. Suppose you want to have a website, you simply have to tell React what do you want, and React will simply create rich user interface for you. React does not have to focus on how to do it. You simply have to tell React that you want to have a website, and React will simply create a rich user interface for the same. So React is declarative. Now, what is imperative paradigm? Suppose you go to an artist and simply ask the artist to create a landscape, and does not tell him or her how to create the landscape. That is called declarative paradigm. But in imperative, suppose you want to have the same landscape, you go to a 6-year-old child and you have to tell that child that first you have to create mountains, then rivers, and then trees, and so on and so forth. So that is called imperative paradigm. React also handles different DOM updates and rendering of the components efficiently, and document object model updates are handled beautifully using React JavaScript. React JavaScript also seamlessly integrate into any of your applications, whether a portion of your page or complete page or even an entire page itself. And once you have an grasp over the React JavaScript library, you can go for mobile applications using React Native. There are some of the prerequisites before learning React. You should have prior knowledge of HTML, CSS, and fundamentals of JavaScript. You should have a prior knowledge of ES6. As far as JavaScript is knowledge, you should have knowledge of this keyword, filter, map, and reduce methods, particularly the map method. You should have knowledge about different concepts of ES6, let and const, like let and const declaration, what are arrow functions, template literals, what are default parameters, what are object literals, rest and spread operators, and restructuring assignment. We will be learning React from scratch in this video tutorial series. The whole channel content on React JavaScript is divided into different categories. First of all, first category is fundamentals of React, then React, and we'll be discussing React and HTTP, then React and routing, and state management with Redux and other utilities. Thank you guys for watching this video tutorial. In the next video tutorial, we'll be seeing how to create a Hello World application using React JavaScript. Thank you guys for watching this video.